The aim of this exercise is to appreciate precision sewing. This is required in many areas while constructing garments and articles. The exercise is done without any thread in the machine. We want you to focus on the needle fall and not be worried about what's happening to threads. During normal stitching, it is necessary to reinforce our stitches at the beginning and at the end. That means starting away from the point where you need to stop, stitching backwards once and then forward, while trying to pull apart these reinforced stitches. It's quite obvious that they are very secure and will not come undone. On the other end, however, no reinforcing has been done, and here it's quite easy to pull the stitches apart. I've used two different colors of thread just so that you can see more clearly. Needle thread, bobbin thread, but we'll get into that. We want the needle fall to be exactly on the dot at A. We'll then press the reverse button in order to go backwards up to the dot at B. We'll then continue forward, aiming for C. Close to C, we will stop and advance forward one by one stitch until the needle hits the dot at D exactly. At this point, we'll pivot the paper around the needle in order for us to start sewing towards E. Let's see what that looks like in practice.